What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the page, to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about looks. We're going to be talking about, does look matter? Do women pick guys based on looks? All that, etc. So, quick story, so how this topic even came about. So, I'm talking with this guy, talking about, women and etc. and etc. I wasn't even gonna say nothing. I was just listening, but I noticed the dude had on a big neck shirt. And if y'all don't know what a big neck shirt is, it's shirts. You definitely like the Hanes tee. They come thick on the neck, but after the shirt had been through war, so much washing, the neck on it, the neckline and on it started to shrivel, and that's where the term big neck come from. So we start talking about he started talking about cheating, right? How all women cheat and etc. And I kind of explained to him, I wrote down, about even when you got a girl, about keeping your sexual market value high. We got to talking about looks, and he started talking about, how he don't want to be around, he didn't want to be with a woman, or be around people who, around him, based on, how he looked, the way he dressed and all that. So, a lot of people under this misunderstanding when it comes to looks, and definitely when you attach it to dating and friends. Now you don't want to be around women that that her sole purpose for being around you and why she like you is the way you look only. Like personality, she don't nothing. She just like the way you look. No friends who are around you because the shit you got on is cool. Because you wearing this brand or that brand. That's true. That's truth be told. But definitely when it comes to, women when you single, if when she meets you, your sexual market value not high, she give you that quick scan, because if she don't feel like you match her fly, or you not, well, basically, if she don't feel like you match her fly, you won't even get the time, you won't even get that chance to take her out, that even show her your personality or how funny you is. Like, you have to keep your sexual market value high. Like, you cannot just walk around and, bacon neck tees, raggedy jeans that you had for like 15 years, old shoes. Like, man, you have to keep yourself looking right. Like, it's not even about wearing expensive stuff. Like my shirt I got on right now, it's a $10 shirt, H&M, it fits well, it show my muscles. I don't know if y'all can see, my shoulders, my traps, everything. And like I always tell him, another thing I can see with him too, is he don't work out. Like, man, you got to keep yourself in shape. You got to keep yourself up. When it comes to women, they spend, 1 or 2 hours when you taking them out, just getting dressed. They don't want to put all that work in, and then, you coming to pick them up in some, shit look like you went to sleep, you took a nap in, and, got up and came to get her. Your haircut ain't been cut in like 2 weeks. Like, definitely if you black, because I'm black, so I know this. Hey, man, get your hair cut every week. Like, it's just simple stuff like that. Some people want to go, 2-3 weeks. It's, the damn hair under your neck, it's all the way, about to meet the hair in your damn chest. Like, nah, like you got to keep yourself, the grooming on you well. Like, grooming ain't gay. Like, make sure your nails clean. Like, if your nails ain't clean, clean them. I don't care if you got to go to the nail salon and get it done. Like, do what you got to do to keep yourself up. Like, it's not gay. It's called grooming. What I was about to say, yeah, another example, when it comes to clothes, like, like I said before, you ain't got to buy expensive clothes, man, but make sure that the clothes you wearing, man, still holding the shape. And that's why I always tell y'all, man, the first things first, always be on your purpose and getting your money right, because, this is where, one of those examples where it come in, to benefit you. So, and like, oh, this is what I was getting into. Even when it comes to your friends, right? Like, a lot of people, or meeting people, even of the same sex, like for friendships, a lot of people want to, got ambitions to be a certain person, be a boss, be an entrepreneur, be around a certain crowd of people. Like me, I take care of myself, right? Like, I go the extra mile, extra grooming. So my friends, my other male friends, they gotta be the same way. Like, I'm not just about to hang around no group of like ugly, unattractive males. So to get around me and to be friends with me, you gotta be well groomed. All my friends work out. Like, you gotta keep yourself up. The only person I let slide with that is my brother. He my twin. He don't work out, but that's cool because we was born together. But everybody else, you gotta meet the standards. So this is with males, and this is with dealing with same sex, males and females or whatever you like, man, you have to keep yourself up. Like, people want to be around people who value themselves the same way you value yourself. So I ain't gonna make this video too long because I don't want to start rambling. But like I said, man, looks is not everything, but looks matter. So if y'all, I want to know y'all opinion on it too. So if y'all got an opinion on it, make sure you leave a comment down below. If you like the video, give it 2 thumbs up. If y'all got any questions, make sure y'all DM me. I appreciate y'all the DMs. That I've been getting. Y'all always DMing me asking questions. But that's it for this video. Y'all have a good one. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.